This is a Holset HX35 Turbo off of a 1997 12-valve Cummins. And I'm going to show you how to bolt this up to a Mercedes OM606 without buying a pre-cast exhaust manifold. Hello, my name is Trevor. Welcome to Rowdy Relics. This is a 1990 Toyota pickup, and behind me is a Mercedes OM606 mechanical turbo diesel engine. This engine is gonna go into that truck. I'll talk more about this project later. For now, I wanna focus on getting the exhaust manifold header plate built today. To build the plate, I'm going to use an OEM Mercedes gasket to lay out the pattern and punch the stud holes that are required. All right, so to begin today's work, I'm gonna find a 3/4 inch plate out in the snow. It's minus 31 outside today, so I'm gonna bring that plate in and defrost it a little bit before I begin to lay out my design. Always recycle.
One, two, three. That's good.
Done. Okay, so that's what we have so far. It doesn't look like much, but I'd say that lines up pretty frickin' nicely. Not bad. Okay, I have my plate all drilled out, and I'm just ready to test fit it. I even nipped a bit more off with the plasma cutter, so this is what we're looking at. Let's go test fit this. Oh, beautiful. That concludes your exhaust port block-off plate. Follow and subscribe for more. Okay, so the plate fits, and it's time to start laying out the port design so that I can cut that out by hand. So I'm going to trace the holes, and then I'm going to punch a hole with the drill press to act as a pilot for the plasma torch. And then I'll cut them out. I'll try and stay slightly undersized so that I can clean it up nice with a die grinder when I'm finished. There you go. And now I'll drill and cut it out. Woohoo! All right, let's fire up the plasma cutter. My knee is on fire. C-clamp is fantastic. Oh, this clamp is so bad. So this is the C-clip I was talking about. C-clamp. C-clamp. Yeah, it's working good. This is what we got. And that's not too bad when you look at it from 2 feet away. Pretty good, pretty good. This is the backside, and doesn't look too bad, but that's still a lot of work with the die grinder, so we'll see how long that takes. All right, I got my workbench already. I just cover it with paper towel. It's easy to clean up. And yeah, I'm ready to start hitting this with the die grinder, so here we go. One hole, done. 2 minutes of time lapse is probably 25-30 minutes of work. Actually, I have no idea, really. I'm not gonna film this whole thing because this is gonna take me probably a good hour or two. This is the port we're looking at. So I'm gonna grind at this for a few hours and then I'll show you when it's complete. That was about 2.5 hours of work, all finished. This is what we got. Fairly clean, fairly consistent. It doesn't matter that much. If you look at the exhaust ports, they're like 1-inch little holes, barely, and there's 2 of them for each oval section. So, I should be able to work with this. I'm gonna go get some steel, start mocking up the turbo. Lots of fun. So, stay tuned, I'll keep you updated. Probably also gonna film an intro video and a little bit more of my other builds in the other vehicles I have. So if you want to know more, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to answer your questions if I can. I'm not a big know-it-all here. Like I'm just doing something that I think is cool and I want to share it. So there we go.